3 chickens kept in a cage smaller than a piece of A4 paper. That's how most of the 31 million egg-laying hens in Taiwan are raised. Densely packed, exposed to wild birds and dramatic temperature changes. If one hen dies of bird flu, then the rest are most likely not going to survive. An ongoing egg shortage has placed the poultry industry under scrutiny. And changing traditional farms like this one into closed structures has become the government's top goal, especially for smaller farms.
以一半的方式来补助，那每场不超过450万。那如果要改建成密闭水帘式的，那我们一场是1000万。那另外，针对5万只以上的这些大型的养禽场，那我们提供的是专案农贷2年的利息补贴。
The government plans to spend more than $34 million to upgrade 200 chicken farms in the next 3 years. But the Environment and Animal Society of Taiwan said some of that money should help farms to go cage-free, as Taiwan will eventually need to catch up with countries that prioritize animal welfare. The animals' well-being aside, cage farming also poses health concerns to humans.
你如果关在笼子里面这样。 它是一辈子不可能洗澡，它不洗澡就会身体有问题就会有这个对身体会有积湿等等，那你就要用药用药就会有药物残留。
I'm at a chicken farm in Miaoli that both the government and animal welfare organizations would approve of. Chickens housed in these sheds have limited exposure to wild birds, and the temperature inside is controlled with cooling pads. There are more than 2,000 egg farms in Taiwan. Only 1.3% among them adopt enclosed barn raising. A pioneer in the country's industry, the owner of this farm said it all began with a simple thought.
过快乐，饲的人快乐，食的人嘛快乐，伊的家人快乐，这是咱上主要，拄开始咱想要做的代志。
Here, barn-raised chickens have a certain space to roam and relax, which helps to boost immunity. And they even get to listen to music. Lin said their favorite is Justin Bieber's. With these advanced facilities, farmers can control the lights, temperature, and humidity with just a few clicks. It's particularly helpful for a climate adverse to raising chickens. But it costs about $300,000 to build a barn like this one. Too risky of an investment for some farmers.
这些蛋农大部分都是60几岁、70岁，他觉得我现在能够糊口就好了，更何况我投资了1000万，这1000万到底要什么时候回收？那我的儿子也没有要接班，那我这样的投资划算吗？
To really move the poultry industry forward, experts believe that the key lies in convincing the younger generation that there's great potential in the industry. If young people see that new farms require less labor but more management skills, then they might see it as a profitable profession. It's the right time for the government to lead a change, but egg farmer Eric Lin said soft power also needs renewal.
这软体更新就是把我们的年轻人带进来，传承我们现在所有的技术跟经验，让他们同时相对的学习以后。 奠定我们现在所谓的基础，整个产业它的升级就可以稳定。
Beyond upgrading facilities and recruiting younger farmers, the poultry industry wants the government to set better policies. They want better disease prevention systems and more resources put into developing domestic egg-laying chicken species. Should all that be achieved, the farmers believe that Taiwan won't need to import eggs as a short-term shortage solution. Taiwan could instead become an egg exporter. Hsueh, Klein, Wang, Pichi, Chuang, and Yujing Huang for TaiwanPlus.